All right, chip of the day. We've made it through the first row, and now we're on to the second row. The first part here is a TMP75, so that will be chip of the day. TMP75. Texas Instrument, of course. It's a temperature sensor. You might be familiar with the LM75 and its derivatives. There's a whole bunch of them. This data sheet is for the LM75 and the 175. It is a temperature sensor, and this one is I2C. So SDA, SEL. It has plus or minus 0 to 5, whatever. It has 3 pins here, which are the address, so you can hook up to 8 of these in a circuit with different I2C addresses. That's what this sets. And then there's an alert here. I'm not sure what the alert pin does. Extended measurements, blah, 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 blah. Let's see, let's take a look at the data sheet. So it's good to 6.5 volts, so it's a 5 volt part, minimum of 2.7, so you can operate this on a 3.3 system, 2.7 to 5.5. Accuracy is plus or minus half a degree, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, hook it up. What is the alert pin do? What does the alert pin do? I'm not quite sure about that. Over temperature set alert. I guess you can program a particular temperature, and when it hits that temperature, that line will be asserted low. It says it requires a pull-up, so it'll be an open drain output. It'll assert low. So that's interesting. All right, so what do? We hook one up. I have one right to here. All right, so what we got here is we have a AT Tiny 3224. We're going to put it this way. And we have I2C for OLED display and I2C for the little part. If I can find if I can find 5 volts here on my bench. I always have 5 volts available. All right, that one goes there. We will turn it on. You can watch. And it says IMSAI guy, and then we get a temperature. It says 23C. All right, so that's measuring 23C. If I put my finger on it, try to heat it up. Where's my finger? That finger was cold. 24. All right. Wow, am I really cold out here? There we go, 24.5. Anyway, you get the idea. I've been drinking some iced tea, so it was a little bit cool. But anyway, there you go. So in order to use this part with something in the Arduino family, there is a library. Search for LM75 library. You will find the library, and you declare the part, and it automatically fixes it, and you read the temperature, and it's just 2 lines. 1 line to add the device, and then 1 line to read the temperature. So very, 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 very easy thing to do. Let's heat it back up. There we go. Yeah, pretty straightforward part. And the package that we had was the SOC8. It also comes in a VSSOP8, a little bit smaller. Yeah, there you go. That was chip of the day. A variant of the old LM75. I think I did a video on the LM75. But this is a TMP75.